Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you a project that I made for Kscrafts, and let me show you the products that I use. So I use their Mermaid, which is her. She's beautiful with the flowy hair. I use this bow with a whole bunch of little holes, really cute. I use this one right here, which is one of my favorite dies. And then I use this pocket, like a jumbo tag. This one is a must. This is perfect for Happy Mail. It fits a lot and it's just super cute. But what I did, I used mine to hold my card. So just, let's say, okay, so this is what it looks like. So it comes with the word Happy Mail. It also says Happy Birthday. And look how cute. Like, I love this one. Comes with all the layering pieces. It even comes for layering pieces for the bottom, but I didn't add that. Isn't it cute? So you can fill this up with a whole bunch of stuff. I just added a quick card just because I wanted you to see what it looks like. So that's the bow. And you see it comes with the layering piece for the front, which you could use also for the back. How pretty. And it's nice and roomy. Okay, so this measures like 7 inches by 5.5. And in thickness, it's about almost close to 1.5. Because once you put stuff in it, like it kind of like expands, you see? So it's very, very roomy. So you can put stuff in. So just picture you do a swap, a Happy Mail swap, and you just have a whole bunch of little goodies inside your little pocket. Isn't it cute? I love it. Okay, so I did that. Obviously, I didn't stuff it with anything because I wanted to show you the card that I made. So what I did was I added the card inside. So this is their Mermaid. This is the die that I told you. The easel is from Anna Griffin. And I did it into an easel card. Look, isn't she pretty? It says, "You are mermazing." She's gorgeous. So I added like an extra little fin just to give it an extra color. Her little star. She's adorable. So there you go. So I did, like I said, I did mine's just a card to fit inside, which fits perfectly. Look at this. So even if you have a card and more goodies to fit, it's a perfect little Happy Mail package. So I will post all the links in the description bar, and I hope you guys like it. Talk to you later. Bye.